Now let's talk about another error, run-on sentence. As you can see here in this photo, two characters, maybe two boys or girls, are running. One is running after the other, but they are not the same body. Not only one, we have two here, one and two. One is running and the other one is running also. So what is this? Let's see. Actually, a run-on is a sentence error caused by running one sentence into another without putting any punctuation in between. Let's look at the example. We all like grammar. Yeah. Yes. What about the other one? We all love this class. So what here? We have two sentences actually. First one, we, the subject. Let's underline it. We, here, this is the subject. And like, okay, it is the verb. And the other one also we have we and love. So we have subject and complete thought, subject, verb, and complete thought. We have all the components of a sentence. So you have two sentences. But what is the problem? The problem is that I don't have any punctuation between these two sentences. I don't have anything to link that one to the other one. So it's a problem here. So how can I fix this problem? And first, let's say, how can we spot it? We spot this error when you find a sentence and another sentence, and there's no punctuation between them. So what can I do? We have many things to do. The first and the easiest thing is to put a period, or sometimes we call it full stop. Put a full stop after the first sentence and start the other one with a capital letter. Like here, Lucas enjoys hiking. It's a sentence. And we added here, this is the full stop. And here, the other one started with capital letter. So we have two separate sentences. I don't have any problem. Lucas enjoys hiking. He climbs a new mountain every summer. I don't have any problem. Yeah. The other thing, it's a punctuation mark, which we call, let's box this one here. Yes, this one we call it semicolon. Semicolon. So what's the semicolon? Semicolon is a punctuation mark that can be used to link two related sentences. So we have a sentence and another one, like this one, Lucas enjoys hiking. The other one, he climbs a new mountain every summer. The second sentence is talking about Lucas, and it's related to the same thing, enjoys hiking. So I can add semicolon to link them. So in this case, I don't have a run-on. It is correct. Number 3, use colon. Colon like here, two dots, one is above the other, like here. So I say, Lucas enjoys hiking, and colon, he climbs a new mountain every summer. Be careful of colon actually, because one of the uses of the colon is to add another sentence like here, same like the semicolon in this case, but be careful because we have other uses. We actually are going to talk about each one in details later on. Talk about the semicolon, how can we use it, and all the cases. It's a lesson called punctuation. Don't worry, just now I want you to know that how to fix the error of a run-on. Okay, dash also do the same job. So here, dash is the same. Hello. So do we have any other way to fix this error? Yes. To correct a run-on, we can make one clause dependent to make a complex sentence. Like here, Lucas enjoys hiking. I can make it dependent clause by adding subordinator like since. Since Lucas enjoys hiking, since means because in this case. Since Lucas enjoys hiking, he climbs a new mountain every summer. And here we added a comma, okay, after the dependent clause. Do we have anything else? Yes, also, we have another solution. We can add a fanboys conjunction. Fanboys conjunctions, actually, fanboys is an acronym. F stands for A and N nor, B but, O or, Y yet, S so. So I can use one of these actually, but don't forget to put a comma before these conjunctions. Lucas enjoys hiking, so he climbs a new mountain every summer. These are all the cases that you can use to, or let's say all the ways that you can make use of them to fix this error. Now we have a drill. Let's look at the first one. I want you to correct a fragment by adding a subject. If you want to make use of this drill, you can copy the question and answer it, and then check our answer here. After you finish answering, you can come back to the video again, and you can listen and make sure that your answer is correct. But actually, many answers are acceptable. Let's look at the first one. Correct the fragment by adding a subject. Here, I don't have a subject. Brought snacks to the weekend's study session. Who? I don't know. So I'm going to add my friend. You can add any name, okay? Name of your friend. You can write my mother. You can write anything. Question 2. Correct the fragment by completing the thought. So here, the thought is not complete. After getting to the stadium, so what happened? I can add any independent clause, any sentence. We went looking for our seats. Now it is correct one. Number 3. Correct the run-on sentence with a punctuation mark. Many ways to do this. Let's read that one and identify the error first. The new art center just opened. It has a crafts room for children under 13. Look here, it is the subject of the second sentence. I don't have any punctuation between these two sentences, so we have the error that we called run-on. It's very easy. Here I added full stop and capital letter I capital for it. You can add semicolon, yes. Okay, dash, yes. You can actually fix this error using many other things. Correct the run-on sentence with a punctuation mark again. Herodotus is known as one of the first historians. He, and the error is here because I have another sentence started by this word, he, the subject, and I don't have any punctuation mark. He is even called the father of history. So here, can you do? Actually, we added semicolon here to fix this problem. It's one way. Actually, we have many other ways. I've told you about that. 5. Make one clause dependent to correct the run-on sentence. Herodotus is sometimes accused of making up stories for his histories. Comma, he claimed he simply recorded what he had been told. One of the students would say that I don't have any error here because we have punctuation between the two sentences. But let's read them again. Comma, it's a rule. Comma cannot connect the two sentences. Comma with and, but, so, yes. But comma only, no. So this is a run-on. And we call it sometimes comma splice. Comma splice error. Comma splice error means you have a comma only. And be careful of that. It's very, very important. Comma can never connect two sentences together. So here to solve this problem, we can add. He told me what to do. He said he wants to make one of the clauses dependent. Yes, easy. Add a subordinator, which subordinator can be used here. Although, so although can be added. So the sentence would be: although Herodotus is sometimes accused of making up stories for his histories, for his histories, he claimed he simply recorded what he had been told. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.